Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what's essential. Update After Effects and GPU drivers so previews are smooth. Create a 1920x1080 composition at 24 or 30 FPS and import your graphics and audio into clearly named folders. Once done, place a background layer first, then lock it. You're laying a clean foundation so later animations don't get messy. Make sure to save a project incrementally. Naming files with V1, V2 keeps iterations recoverable and speeds troubleshooting if something breaks. You'll craft the motion using basic properties: position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Set keyframes sparingly and apply easy ease to avoid robotic starts and stops. Then refine curves in the graph editor so motion feels organic. Once elements relate, create a null object to parent them, or precompose complex groups to animate as one unit. This reduces keyframe clutter and makes global adjustment simple. Remember to RAM preview frequently so you see timing in real time and adjust before moving on. You finish by polishing. Enable motion blur on moving layers, add subtle drop shadows and a final color adjustment layer for cohesion. Then send the comp to media encoder using H.264 for web or ProRes for high quality. Set bitrate to balance size and fidelity. If export or playback is sluggish, make sure to lower preview resolution, purge the disk cache, or temporarily disable heavy effects. One key troubleshooting tip: if frames drop, pre-render troublesome precomps to restore real-time performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.